Good morning to all. Before I think I solve up to question number 14, but from today I will be regular. At least 3-4 questions I will solve and I will give you daily homework, class 10 especially. Today exercise 6, question number I will start from 15. One question I will solve and one question I will give you for homework. You solve and give me, okay? Question number 15. First try to understand the question. See, by increasing the speed of a car by 10 km per hour, the time taken by the journey of 72 km is reduced by 30 seconds. So find the original speed of the car. Try to understand here. While you increase the speed, time will always take less. Suppose one example I am giving. You are going from garage to Mela Bazar. If you walking, if you go, it will take time more. If you go by cycle, you can go faster. Faster means what? Time reduced. Same way. If you increase the speed, time will reduce. Here how much it is reduced? 36 minutes. So find the original speed. So let original speed be x. So total journey how much? 72. You know s equal to what? bt. This distance equal to velocity in time. So time you have to find distance by what? Velocity. You know in lower class you got it as distance equal to what? Velocity by time equal to distance. So therefore time taken when speed x equal to what? When speed x equal to t1 you consider equal to 72 divided by x, because distance by velocity is giving time. Again, now time taken when speed what? Increase. Speed increase means what? Before it was x, now increase 10. So it will be 72 by x plus 10. Now try to understand why I am adding. Because speeding, suppose you are going now 20. If I increase the speed 5, it will become 25. So 20 plus 5. Same way. Speed was before x, now increase by 10. So it will be what? 10. It will become t2. Now tell me, t1 is more or t2 is more? Which? Here speed is more, so time will be less. Here speed is less, time will be more. So according to question, what is the time difference? T1 minus T2 equal to 36 minutes. But I need to convert into hour because everything is there in terms of kilometer per hour. So what will get? T1 is how much? 72 by x minus 72 by x plus 10. So here you can cut it with 16 with 6. 6 by 6, 3 is 6. So what will get? 3 by 5. Now complete it. X into x plus 10. So x and x matching. So what will get? 72 into x plus 10 minus 72 into 6. X plus 10 is matching. So now what will come? Only x will come equal to 3 by 5. So you can multiply x into x. X square x into x. 10x. 72x plus 720 minus 72 xc 3 by 5. Now simple logic, this one and this one we can cut it. This is addition subtraction. Now what will get? 720 divided by x square plus 10x equal to 3 by 5. Now do cross multiplication. This one and this one multiply this one. So 3 into x square plus 10x equal to 5 into 7 to 0. If you are smart, see this 3 and this one, try to cut it. So it will be easy to calculate. Cut it. What will get? 240. Now that will get x square plus 10x minus this one multiply 440 0 take 1200. What do you got? 1200. Now same taking factorization. Try to understand factorization is easy only. Subtraction is to get 10. Multiplication 1200. See 3 into 4 12. So similarly if I do 40 minus 30 how much? 1200. So x square plus 40x minus 30x multiply means into 1200. I don't know you all are understanding now. So I am making video, those who could not write, sorry. You can write again yourself. Very fast. Now what is from these two and what is common from these two? What is common from here? Here common is x is common. take x common, x into, so what will get? X minus 40 will get, and this side 30 will be common, so 30, what is that? X minus minus, sorry, it will be plus, already it was plus, so minus minus plus 40. So this bracket and this bracket matching, so what will get? X plus 40 into x minus 30 equal to 0. Now x plus 40 equal to 0, x equal to what? Minus 40, speed you will not take in minus, it will get x minus 30 equal to 0, so x equal to 30. This is your final solution. So what is the original speed? Kilometer per hour. Now I will solve question number 16, your homework. Please try to solve it. Question number 16 and 15 is almost same. Here see, first it was velocity was x kilometer per hour. After that what increase? X plus 20. So obviously second case time will take less, first case time will be take more, and technique is same. Now I will solve 17. Try to understand 17. What is there? What is there? First try to understand the question. A train cover a distance of 700. Total distance how much? 780 km at x kilometer per hour. Had the speed been x minus 5, x minus 5 means what? Reduced. The time taken to cover the same distance would have increased. Obviously, if velocity reduced, time will take increase. How much? 1 hour. Write down the equation and solve it and find the value of x. So total distance was 780. So time taken when speed x equal to 780 by x. You can imagine it is a t1. Similarly, time taken when speed what? Reduce now x minus 5. So what will you get? 780 by x minus 5. Try to understand, this time will be more or this will be more. This will be more, obviously speed is sorry this will be, time will be more because speed is less, but minus means less, x minus 5, so it will be less. So therefore according to question, so this time minus this time equal to 1 hour, so what? 780 by x minus 5 minus 780 by x equal to 1. Now what is the LCM? LCM is x minus 5, x minus 5, x matching, so what will get? 780x minus 780 into x minus 5 equal to, so multiply x into x square minus 5x, 780x minus 780x minus plus 500 into 39. So multiply nicely, I will get 3900 equal to 1. Now cross multiplication, here the 1 only, but see nicely this one and this one I can cut. So while you do cross multiplication, what you will get? See nicely x square minus 5x equal to x square minus 539. And this one you bring this side, x square minus 5x minus 3900 equal to 0. Now what is common? So what will do? Same way you do. Now see factorization. How to make easy to factorize? 3900 or not? So factorize 39 separately, 100 separately. It will be very easy for you. So 3 into 30, 2 into 50, 2 into 25, 5 into 5. Check nicely from here only. You have to find two numbers. Subtraction giving 5, multiplication will come. 13 into 5 how much? 65. So 5 into 2 10, 10 into left 1, 5 into 2 10, 10 20, 20 into 60. So obviously coming 65 minus 60. Try to understand. 13 into 5 is how much? 65. Left how much? 3 to just 3 2 2 5. So 3 to just 6, 6 to the 12, 12 5 is 16. So now x square minus 65x minus plus 60x minus 3900 equal to 0. What is common? What is common? See, x is common. So x minus 65 you will get. What is common? Directly I can take 60 common. So x minus sure you will get 65 equal to 0. Now this bracket and this bracket is matching, and this and this, so what will get 0. So x minus 65 equal to 0. So x equal to what will get 65. Original is finish, but x plus 0, so it will get minus minus, and on to take minus 1. So this is the answer, kilometer per. Try to understand those who could not see. Now you can write yourself after understanding. If doubt, you can ask me. Question number 18 also I will solve. Try to understand. Same style. Read the question. The distance by road between the A and B is 260. If you go by road, it will coming how much? 260. In terms of x. Sorry. And if rail is 208, a car is traveling at a speed of x km per hour, and then travels a speed is which is 16 km faster than car. See, if you go by train 208 km, you go by bus 216. Now a car is moving at a speed how much? X, and train is moving at x plus 16. Why? Because 16 km faster. So now first question is saying write down the time taken by car to reach the AB in terms of x. So it is easy. So time taken, already I told this, time taken by car. Now which distance will do? Obviously 216, because by road 216 and speed is how much? X. Now sub question B is saying time taken by B. So time taken by, sorry, not by rail, time taken by rail. Taken by rail. Why? See, rail is distance is how much? 208, and what? And faster 16 km. Now try to understand sub question 3. If train takes 2 hours less, that means which time is more? This one time is more, or this one time? Train one is less, car one is more. So according to question, train one is less or not? So more 1 minus less 1 equal to 2 hours less. 6 x minus 208 divided by x plus 16 equal to how many hours? 2 hours. Now it is the sub question C. Now solve it and find the value of x. Sub question D. In the example, you need to show ABCDs. Join simple formula you can use like earlier question. So 216 into x plus 16 minus 208 x equal to 2. Now you do one thing, same style you do, down multiplication, up multiplication. So x into x square plus 16x, 216x multiply 216 into 6, 6 is a 36, 9, 6 is a 12. Sure. 6 is 12. Correct. Yes. How much you are getting? Sorry, it is not 6, 16 have to multiply. No? So 6, 1, 2, how much will get? 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 3 and 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. So now what will do? 200, so what will get? 8x plus 3, 4, 5, 6 equal to 2 into x squared plus 16 x. So multiplied 8x plus 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2x squared plus 32 x. Now this one you send this, so what will get? 2x squared this plus 32x minus this one I am bringing this, so what will get? Minus x is 3, 4, 5, 6 equal to 0. 2x squared plus 24x, because say 32 minus 8 is 24, minus 34, 5, 6 equal to 0. What x can take common? X can take common. What is the 12x minus 1, 7, 2, 8 is that 0. So what will get? X squared plus x 2, 8 equal to 0. Now find two number which subtraction is giving. Once again, all of you sleep, we could not try to it. say after factorization you will get like this. See, 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. So you find out two numbers, subtraction is giving 12, multiplication is giving 1728. So find it. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16, sorry, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 again, 16 3 is 48. Once I got 41, 3 I took it. How much I got? 48. How much I took? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and what I took? 3 I took. Now what is left? 3 3 is 9, 9 to the 18 is 36. Yes. So when I get 36 minus, yes, 12. It is nicely coming. How much it is? Please check it. 3 3 is 9, 9 4 is 36, 48 minus 40. So what will get here? X square plus x into 48, 48 minus 36 minus 1728. Now take multiply it same way. Multiply, what will get? X square plus 48x minus 36x minus 1728. Now what is common? What is common? What is common? X is common. So x plus 48. What is common here? X minus minus plus 48 equal to 0. Now what is coming? X minus 36 into x plus what equal to 0. So what will get? X minus 36 equal to 0. X equal to 36. What will get? X plus 48 equal to 0. So x equal to what? Minus 48. So what is the answer? Answer is 36 kilometer per hour. So today this much. Please, what is your homework? I'll tell you. Your homework is question number 16. Okay, you will only solve question number 16 and sorry, not only question number 16, question number 16 you solve. Okay, for 16 and question number 34 you will solve. Which question? 16 and 32 homework. Please solve and show me by tomorrow.